everyone, I'm Pooja Pawar and I have just completed internship from FireShark and it was around 8 month time period I spent in FireShark as an intern at the role of Network and Information Security Associate. When I entered, I have some skills, but after entering in the FireShark, I really learned a lot things here, and of course, I polished my every skill and learned new more things, and now I'm confident about my skill, and I gain confidence from here. And of course, I have found a lot thing from Amarpreet ma'am, and really it was great journey in FireShark. If you really want to enter in any internship, you can easily jump here in FireShark. Assure you will not disappoint. So you can feel free come to FireShark and enroll in internship and learn things from here. So this is all about my journey as an intern at FireShark. So thank you guys.